First, download the Findmykids app on the parent's phone from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and tap the Start button. The app will now show you some useful features, like how it tracks your child's route to school and what apps they spend the most time on. Tap Continue to move through these features. Next, you'll see the option to connect my kid. Tap on it, check the box that says I agree to the terms, then tap Continue. Now allow the app to access your location by tapping Allow. Tap on Add Kid and now your phone is ready. We need to set up the Pingo app on your child's phone. Tap Set up Kid's phone, then select Send your kid the link. Share this download link via WhatsApp or any messaging app to your child's phone. Also, make sure to save the code shown on your screen. We'll use it shortly on the kid's device. Now take your child's phone and download the Pingo app from the link. Open the app and tap Let's Go. Then, check the box that says I confirm that I am the parent and tap Continue. Now enter your child's name, then enter the code you received earlier from the parent's phone. The app will now ask for several permissions. Tap Allow when it asks for location access. Continue giving the app all required permissions. This includes access to Usage Info Access, Contacts, Auto Start Settings. These permissions are important for the app to work properly. Once all permissions are granted, tap Let's Go. This is the main screen your child will see. They can now send you a message or even a loud alert if they need help. If you see a red phone settings banner at the top, tap it to finish granting any missing permissions.